Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Your AI Developer Portfolio, showcasing your skills to the world. Imagine you're a chef, but instead of just telling people you can cook, you show them a beautiful photo album of your best dishes, complete with the recipes and glowing reviews. That's what an AI developer portfolio is. Your personal gallery of AI projects. It's how you show, not just tell, potential employers or collaborators what amazing things you can build with AI. Even if you're just starting out, it's proof of your skills and passion, a visual resume of your coding journey. Think of your portfolio as a treasure chest filled with different types of gems for an AI developer. These gems are 1. The projects. The gems. These are the actual AI applications you've built, big or small. 2. The code. The map. How you built them, usually stored and shared on platforms like GitHub. It shows you know how to write clear instructions for computers. 3. The explanations. The story. A clear, simple story about what your project does, why you build it, and how it works, even for someone who doesn't understand complex AI terms. 4. The results. The proof. Screenshots, numbers, or demos showing that your AI actually works and achieves its goal. Don't feel like you need to build the next ChatGPT right away. Start small and grow your capabilities. Here are some beginner-friendly project ideas. Simple data analysis prediction. Can you make a program that looks at a list of past sales and predicts which product might sell best next month? This involves basic data processing and predictive thinking. Fundamental AI skills. Image classifier. Build an AI that can tell if a picture is a cat or a dog. You'll learn how to teach computers to see and recognize patterns. Text generator. Create a tiny AI that can complete your sentences or write a short, simple poem based on a prompt. This introduces you to how AI understands and generates human-like language. Tip: start with existing tutorials and datasets. Don't reinvent the wheel. Focus on understanding the steps. Your code is like the blueprint of your AI project. How you present it matters. GitHub is your best friend. This is where developers store, share, and collaborate on code. Learn how to upload your projects there. It's like putting your blueprints in a public library for everyone to see and appreciate. Readability matters. Write code that's easy for other developers and your future self to understand. Use clear variable names, e.g., _user_input_ instead of $x_. Comments are gold. Explain why you did something in your code, not just what you did. It's like adding helpful notes to your blueprint for clarity. readme.md. This file is crucial. It's the first thing people see on your GitHub project. Use it to explain your project, how to run it, and what it does, like a quick instruction manual. Imagine explaining your project to someone who isn't a tech wizard, maybe a recruiter, a family member, or a potential client. The problem. What real-world challenge were you trying to solve with your AI? E.g., people spend too much time manually sorting emails. Your solution. How does your AI help? E.g., my AI automatically categorizes emails into urgent and spam folders. Your role in tech used. What exactly did you do? And what tools, like Python, specific AI libraries such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, did you use? The results. What was the outcome? Did it save time? Was it accurate? Show numbers or visual proof. Future work. What would you do next if you had more time or resources? This shows your forward-thinking and problem-solving mindset. Your portfolio isn't just about code. It's about you as an AI developer and your unique perspective. blog posts, tutorials. Write about your learning journey, a tricky problem you solved, or how to use a new AI tool. This shows you can communicate complex ideas and teach others. Online courses, certifications. If you've completed relevant courses or certifications, mention them. They show dedication to continuous learning. Open source contributions. Even small contributions to public AI projects show you're part of the developer community and can collaborate. Networking. Share your projects. Ask for feedback. And connect with other AI enthusiasts and professionals online and offline. Your network can open doors to new opportunities. Where will you display your amazing work to the world? Personal website. The ultimate control. You can build a simple site using tools like GitHub Pages, Squarespace, or even just HTML, CSS to showcase your projects beautifully and professionally. GitHub, essential for code, but also a decent place to link to demos and explanations in your project's readmes. It's often the first place recruiters look for code samples. LinkedIn, a professional network where you can link to your portfolio, write posts about your projects, and connect directly with recruiters and industry leaders. Presentation matters. Make your portfolio easy to navigate, visually clean, and mobile-friendly. A well-designed portfolio shows attention to detail and professionalism, which are valuable developer traits. Don't wait until you're an expert to start building your portfolio. Every great developer started with a single line of code. 1. Pick one project. Revisit a simple AI tutorial you've done. Or start one today, like the cat versus dog classifier or a simple text generator. 2. Get it on GitHub. Even if it's messy, push your code to a public repository. Write a basic readme.md explaining what it is. 3. Explain it simply. Write a paragraph or two explaining what the project does and why it's cool, as if you're telling a friend. Include a screenshot or demo. 4. Iterate. Don't procrastinate. Your portfolio is a living document. Add to it, refine it, and improve it over time. Every small step builds momentum and confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.